Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to showcase your work online with a professional portfolio? In this video, I will show you how to create a stunning portfolio website using Wix. No coding needed, and let's get started. First of all, go to wix.com, and sign up with your email address or Google account. Or if you have an account already, just click sign in and log into your account. Once you are in, click new site, click create a new site from right side of the screen. Then select studio template. Now search for portfolio as your site type. Then pick a theme from here. Wix will show you beautiful templates designed for artists, designers, photographers, and more. Choose one that fits your style. I'll choose Creative CV, then click Edit. Now let's customize it. Click Edit Site to open the Wix editor. When it's opened, here you can change text, images, colors, and layouts. Click any text to change it, like the mood swinger. Double click on it and enter your text here, like photographer or my video editing web. web. Now you can adjust the size from here, decrease the size, or align the text, and resize the text from here. It's like that. You can match your brand colors. To add your work, go to a portfolio or gallery section. Uh, then click manage projects and then add new project. You can add media from here directly. Click add media and upload your photo from your computer. For example, the wall. You can also upload videos or PDFs, add titles, descriptions, and even client information. Each project can have its own dedicated page with more details. Then click Add to Page. Then click Change Image. Select and click Update. Then refresh it. Next, customize your pages. You might want a home, about me, portfolio, and contact page. Use the menus and pages panel to add, rename, or reorder pages. Make sure your navigation is simple and your contact information is easy to find. Click the plus icon from here. Now search for pages or scroll down and find the pages section, or you can directly search from here. Or about us and click about and choose a template from here. Now click on the mobile view icon to see how your site looks on iPhones or phones. It's look like that. Wix lets you tweak your mobile layout separately. This ensures your portfolio looks great on any device. From here, you can see a pages section. Click on it. You can add custom page from here. Click add new page, then click page or dynamic page. Now name it like contact us. Then click enter. Double click on it or click the three dot icon. Then click settings. Now click advanced settings and toggle it on. Then go to permission or SEO basic and follow the process. You can add description and that's it. Now click add section and drag it to here or the home button. Then go to about section and choose one and it's added. Once you are happy with your site, click publish at the top right corner. You'll get a free Wix URL or you can connect your custom domain by upgrading to a premium plan. A custom domain looks more professional, especially for job applications or freelance clients. And that's it. Your online portfolio is live. You have got a personal website to showcase your work and attract opportunities. Like this tutorial, subscribe for more how to videos and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.